Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to part 3 of the shed build. And in this video I'm going to try to install ceiling joist right on top, the ones that go across here. I'm not going to be doing any above the freezer because the freezer is sturdy enough, and I was going to put plywood on top. Let me get a ladder to get up there really quick. So I'm going to clean up this area and put down plywood, and it's sturdy enough to walk on, and with plywood it'll just give it extra support. And also it's going to be lower, so there's going to be more room to store things, and it's not going to be this high. It's going to be pretty much at the freezer level. And I'm going to have probably 2 boards that will go across from this one to this one right here, and on top of here is going to be another piece of plywood. Same thing on this side. It's going to be for a little extra storage, and then behind me right here is going to be storage as well. One small mistake I made is I used these brackets. I mean, technically you don't have to use any brackets, you can just nail it or screw it to the boards. But what I'm going to do is probably bend this one out so this one could go in like so, and then secure that to the board, and then secure the rafter to the ceiling joint. So I'm going to have to do that to 3 of them. 1, 2, actually 4 of them, because I'm going to have one right here as well. So 4 of them. I'm going to have 4 ceiling joists going across. And right here above the freezer, what I'm going to do is, since I'm not going to have any ceiling joists here, I'm going to cut out a piece of plywood and give it extra support up on top like this. I'm going to make the plywood a little bit wider, and then just screw one here, one here, one here, one there, and that will give it extra support. That way when I walk on the roof, it's not going to push out on the rafters right here on the side. And then also here I'm gonna do an extension, roof extension, so it hangs over probably about maybe 12 inches, maybe a little more, we'll see. I was thinking either do 12 or 24. I'm not sure how much I want. This is 24 right here, so maybe I'll do a 12. But I'll deal with that a little later. So let's continue on this project. This will be my part 3, and then I'll probably do a part 4 and 5, and then it'll be finished. All right, let's get this done. Let's go. Alright guys, I think I'm done for tonight. Put a few sheets of plywood on the back side of the shed where the freezer is. Did extension on the roof on the front and back, and also set up some 2x4s for the attic access. Basically it's gonna have a pretty good size opening, so if I have like a big box or whatever, you just kind of get up there, put it in there. And this space is going to be pretty low compared to this side. So there's going to be more room to put things in, and easier to climb in, climb out, because you don't have this 2x4 in the way right here. And it's going to be set up, and I'm going to secure all this in place so it doesn't move. And obviously I'm going to have plywood on top of here. So it's churning out pretty good. Really like this project. Of course there's always little speed bumps in the way here and there. But this will conclude the part 3 video of this shed project. And hopefully on part 4 I'll be able to finish all of the panels on the roof, and then the siding on the walls, and then hopefully we'll start doing the roof. And my guess is part 5 is going to be finishing the shed and then doing final touches and so on. It's kind of hard to see anything right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you like car content or building content, whatever. I try to do a little bit of both, but mostly it's going to be a car channel. This is just one of those things that got in the way for the time being, and once this is done it's going to be mostly strictly cars. So once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell. If you got any comments, questions, let me know in the bottom, and we'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.